How to book rides with Indrive and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book rides with Indrive. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on indrive.com, and booking rides is actually pretty simple. You can download the application and work with that, but for this one I'm going to be using the website. So let's get into it. So here you can see all I have to do is scroll down. You can see it works in over 48 countries, 982 cities, and almost 360 million people use it. You can download the app and you should be good to go. It provides city rides, meaning within the city. City is a city, so if you're traveling from one city to another, Indrive's got you covered. They also deliver different packages as well, and Indrive money as well. So they provide access into fair and transparent financial service. So if you wanted to go ahead and work with them, you can go ahead and do that as well. So let's go ahead and do this. For this one, since city to city requires an application, I'm not going to do that. For this one, I'm going to go with city to city just to demonstrate. So once it's opened up, all you got to do is just simply come over here from city to city, add your address. When you want to go, add the passenger. And if you have a promo code, which you can find in the description below, make sure you check that out. You can easily go ahead and sign up onto Indrive with the link as well, which will be provided. And also you can find promo codes that you can add over here to get a heavy discount on all of your rides. So make sure you check those out as well. Next, all you got to do is add your from and to address. So over here, I'm going to add New Brunswick, and I'm going to add my current location. And then over here, add your date, when you want it, how many passengers, offer your fare, which is like optional if you want, but they'll also set up a fare for you, so you won't have to worry about that. Today is, we'll go with tomorrow. Let's go ahead and click on find a driver, and then all you got to do is join their number. So make sure you get a code. So basically they're signing you up because it is required. But yeah, once you've done it, you should be good to go. And yeah, so it's as simple as that. Again, make sure to check the link in the description below for those promo codes and the link. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.